Okay people, we are back and it's time for an unboxing video. So today for the PS4 we're going to be unboxing Ratchet and Clank. Heck yeah. Let's get right into it. PlayStation hints. Let's disc around. There we go. Okay, here we go. Take a better look at the front. The spine. The back. All, let's see, 28 gig minimum, one player DualShock. And the inside there, which is, that's cool, artwork cover there. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of Ratchet and Clank PS4 game. That is it for now. I am out of here and have a good one.